These are the 1/2 inch to 1/4 inch irrigation tube replacement fittings. Well, mine are replacements anyway. You may be putting them on for the first time. If you're getting these, you probably already know how to put them on. These are the barbed end ones where you have to soften up the hose to get it on there, and it holds it in place. And obviously you want to put your cap on before you do that, so you can screw it on there when you're done. There are a few different ways to soften up the hose to fit over the barbed end. I'm in a shady area, so I'm just going to use a Zippo. You can also soften the hose using a cup of hot water, a heat gun, or just let the sun do it. So you got the two caps, you got 1/2 inch on these two sides and 4/4 inch outs. And after this fine intro, I will show myself removing the broken pieces that I have and installing new ones. Let's do it. So I left my irrigation kit out all winter. Probably not the greatest idea because these pieces broke off because of the cold. That's okay. Nothing lasts forever. Irrigation fittings, marriages. So I got this 12-pack right here of irrigation fittings, and I'm just going to replace them. I could probably still reuse these caps. If I could force these off of here, great. If not, I'll get my irrigation kit tool out right here. Worst case scenario, if I had to, I could cut these off. There we go. There's one. All right, there we go. Old piece off. And just for the heck of it, I'm going to check and see if these caps are exactly the same. I bet they are. They are. Okay. Will it go on? It will. I'm going to put this one on now too, since it's still warm. Obviously, you want to put your cap on here first before you hook the hose up. Now the next thing I'm going to do is something I learned last year. I'm going to hit these with a little PB blaster in here. It's a little lubricant because these things are kind of tough to put on. There we go. No need for channel locks. All right, good. There's one. Tight. Good. Now these pieces broke off in here, so I'm just going to cut them out of here. Get my irrigation tube heating kit out. Solve them up. You. Nice bloop done. I got a short one here. I want you over here. Since I'm only using 3 of these right now, one of the tips that goes into the ground, I just cut that and stuffed it in the hole to cap it off. All right, so that's my capped off end. All right, you can see where I was filming right there. There's the fittings. Doing good. No leaks. That guy's working. My capped off one's leaking a little bit, but that's okay. I'll fix that, or I'll just let it leak. Water everything. That guy's working. Fig's getting watered. Well, there you go. The 1/2 inch to 1/4 inch tubing fittings worked great.